Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can find Instagram influencers, how you should pick them, and what are the red flags, and everything else about Instagram influencers. So stick around to the end, and I can guarantee you guys that you'll become experts in finding Instagram influencers, and you can teach it to anyone else that might need help. So drop a like and a comment. Let me know if you guys want to see any other video, and subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers before the end of March. So let's see if we can do that. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to this website called Webstagram. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And then once you're here, all you gotta do is search up the keyword of the product you're selling. So let's say I'm selling gaming t-shirts. I will search up gaming, or gaming mouse, or whatever. It's related to gaming, so I'll just search up gaming. Once you search it up, you can find all the pages related to gaming. This is basically like Instagram but on desktop. So once you search up the keyword, you go here and click all these pages. This is an Arabic page, so I'm not gonna go there. This doesn't have a profile picture. And keep moving. Gamer snack, whatever that is. Right click it. Okay, PC gaming. Okay, that should be good enough. And maybe one more, gaming hooks. Right, and once you get there, you guys gotta check their account. So this guy doesn't have enough followers. These guys don't advertise, I believe. Okay, so this seems like a good page. Somebody's actually advertising on it. And what you gotta do is go to Instagram.com, copy paste their username, and then you look over their likes and comments. So then you go to flanks.com and paste their username. Okay, so it's above 2%. Make sure it's above 2%, because anything lower than that, just scratch it. It's not good enough. Then come here and look over their likes and comments. Make sure comments are there. So this post only has 4 comments, so that's a red flag right there. 149, 208. That's not too bad. Make sure people are actually commenting and tagging their friends, and it's not something like this, where this is just a heart or lol or one word comments. You don't want that. That means they're using fake followers, as you guys saw in my last video. So make sure you look. So these seems like real people. This guy's commenting a lot of times, so look over other posts. So as you guys can see, a lot of real comments, so that's not too bad. Then next thing you want to do is go to Social Blade, go to Instagram, copy paste their username. Okay, so make sure there's not something like this, and then it keeps going up and keep going down like different spikes, because you don't want that. That means they're using fake followers, so make sure they don't have that. This seems like a good page, you know. It's not the best, but it can be advertised on. Okay, so this page doesn't seem that bad. They only have 170,000 followers, so it's gonna be cheap to get an Instagram ad. So it's up to you if you guys want to advertise here. Honestly, I wouldn't, because I'm just not feeling it. I just don't like how this post only has 4 followers. It tells me something is wrong. Also, they have an advertisement with only 377 likes and 7 comments. So yeah, and a few of them are like spam. So I wouldn't go with this page, but honestly, it's not that bad. Let's keep moving. So this only has 7,000 followers. Doesn't matter. This is an Arabic page. No. Okay, so this page has 280,000 followers. So let's check them out. So 5,000 likes, 3,000, 10,000, 4,000, 8,000. Okay, so the post with a lot of comments, that means they're asking for a comment. Probably something like this, XXX, stuff like that. You don't want that. So look for posts that don't ask for anything, like this one. If they're only one word comments, that means they're using some sort of engagement groups to get more comments and get more likes. So you want to stay away from that. Just look for real people tagging their friends, comment sentences. So yeah, we'll keep moving. They're probably asking for something like over here. Okay, so this seems like a good page. Now what we're gonna do is, again, same thing, go to Social Blade, gaming.jokes, and they're getting a lot of followers right now. They're on the uprise, as you guys can see. They're going up, which is pretty good. Go to their go to flanks and check their engagement. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is copy paste their username and check out their engagement rate. So this is pretty good, but you guys gotta keep in mind that a lot of their posts ask for a like and comments. So this isn't their real engagement rate, but I would say it's well above 2%, so that's good. So this is another page where I would advertise. This page actually is better than the last one, and I would go with this one because they seem to have a lot of engaged followers and engaged comments. And if I do decide to advertise on this page, I would make sure that I ask for comments or likes. That way I can get featured on the Explore page just like they do. So that wouldn't be a bad tactic, asking for something like, show you guys. So since you're advertising to gamers, maybe you can say tag your gamer friend, or your last number of likes equals something. You can be creative with that, and that way you'll get more comments like these, and this way you'll be featured on Instagram Explorer. So that's one way you can advertise. Now, in order to contact them, this guy seems pretty serious. He says this in his bio that you should DM him. Some people have email that you can contact, so just go with what the contact information they've given. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, we're gonna go to Social Blade. It looks pretty good. So this is a page I would definitely advertise on. Yeah, guys, so this is the theory you can apply to any store, anything. Just get the main keyword, your niche, and whether it be gaming, or it doesn't have to be the exact word like mobile. If you're selling mobiles for some reason, you don't have to type in mobile. Maybe you can type in tech or electronics or stuff like that, and then you get more results. You can even go to the hashtag and see what other people are posting, and go to their accounts to see if they're good enough to advertise on. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. What I would do next is go to Excel and get 10 influencers and input them and get their engagement rate, their prices, just so I can keep myself organized and see what is the best influencer to go with for my first product. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help you guys. And yeah, guys, I'm out.